Hey guys, it's your girl Shella, PromoSTK, Shella's Creations Way, and I'm going to be making Cheetos Flamin' Hot popcorn with corn Chex Crispies. Oh yeah. I saw this recipe similar on Shell Eats. She used a Flamin' Hot, the crunchy Flamin' Hots. I'm just going to use popcorn because I think I like popcorn better. So I just added 1 stick of butter. So we're going to let that butter melt. Oh yeah. We're going to let it melt slowly on low to medium heat. Once that butter has melted, you will then be adding the marshmallows. I have 2 10-ounce bags of marshmallows that I will be adding to this 1 stick of butter. And as you can see, as I was stirring the butter, I was swirling around the edge of the pan to make sure that no marshmallows stuck to the pan. So what I'm doing now, just mixing with the marshmallows and the butter. And once that gets all melted together and smooth and creamy, we're going to be adding the Cheetos popcorn Flamin' Hots. All right, here we go. And now it's showtime. It's time for the Cheetos Flamin' Hots. Oh yeah. We're going to add that in with the marshmallows and do a mixy and get all that good old marshmallowy, buttery marshmallow all on those Cheeto Flamin' Hot popcorn. And then I'm going to also add some Chex. Yeah, I'm going to add some Chex rice or Chex corn. And I'll be adding 1 to 2 cups. So we're done stirring everything together. We're going to just take it off the stove because we don't want it to continue to cook. We're going to put about a tablespoon of butter or margarine on the pan. We're going to lightly grease the pan with maybe a tablespoon of the margarine or butter. Once we get the pan all buttered, we will then add our good old Cheetos Flamin' Hot popcorn Crispies. Oh yeah. And now we're just going to spread everything flat on the pan and press down. Press down while you're spreading it so that once it cools in the refrigerator, it's nice and packed tight. And also in the refrigerator for at least an hour to even overnight. But at least an hour. Just because you may not can wait to eat this goodness. Just so good. We're going to mukbang this thing, y'all. PromoSTK, Shell's Creations Way. Again, I saw this recipe done on Shell Eats, and I wanted to try it with the Cheetos Flamin' Hot popcorn. So here it is, you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you on the next